Here's how to convert MOV to MKV video. So I created an app called ConvertSave, and it does exactly that. It converts and then it saves. So you drag and drop your MOV into ConvertSave, select your format you want to convert to, in this case MKV, and then we're going to hit convert. So you can check it out with the link in the description or just go to convertsave.com, but it saves right next to wherever that video file came from. I created this with my brother. He's a software developer, and I just wanted a place to convert files on Windows and Mac on my desktop offline without going into weird, sketchy websites and having to upload and download files. And so ConvertSave works just like that. And also we just added all these advanced features where you can customize the commands that get used for the conversions, as well as create your own custom commands, and then go into the options builder, which lets you change the frame rate, change the resolution, maybe even crop on image conversions. By the way, did I say it's an image, video, and audio converter? So like image conversions, you have crop and resize and all this different stuff. So there's a lot of different things in here that you can have it help you build out a command for your conversions. And that changes depending on the file types that you're using. So that's ConvertSave. Check it out at convertsave.com or just click the link in the pinned comment down there. I appreciate your guys' support. Let me know if you check it out in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.